Hi, are you a small business owner who has received PPP funds from a loan that you recently got approval for? If so, I'm going to have a few tips for you. I'm Katherine Taylor, the lawyer for business owners. So if you've received funds from a PPP loan, the first thing you want to do is to make sure you put the funds in a separate account. A separate bank account is the best, but if you don't have the funds in a separate bank account, make sure you segregate the funds into a separate balance sheet account. If you have a CPA or somebody doing your books, make sure that that person knows that these funds need to be maintained and accounted for separately. Number two, don't spend the money unless you absolutely have to. I know we all applied for these funds because we need the money, but if, for instance, you have business savings or you're still getting some accounts receivable in collected, try your best to not use the PPP loan funds unless you absolutely have to. If you have to, obviously go ahead and use the funds, but make sure you comply with the number 3 tip, and that is maintain very detailed records about everything that you spend that can be basically applied to can be spent from your loan proceeds. So that would be all your payroll records, any rent amounts that you pay, and any utilities that you pay for. There are probably some other items that are able to be paid and used from these funds, but those are the main 3. And make sure when you file for forgiveness that you do so as soon as possible after the 8-week period is over, and you prepare and provide all of the detailed documents in order to hopefully obtain forgiveness. Because only when the loan is forgiven will you actually be able to treat that money as an asset. Otherwise, it's going to be a loan that you're going to have to pay back. If you have any questions, I suggest that you talk to your CPA or feel free to call me. My contact information is at www.taylorlegal.com. I'm the lawyer for business owners. Thank you.